Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering essentials: your Apple ID, password, and the watch serial number. Open settings on your iPhone or visit Apple's support if you prefer. Why do this first? Because Apple verifies ownership and plan details before changes. Once done, locate subscriptions or Applecare entries. This is where cancellation begins. Make sure you know whether you want a refund or to stop automatic renewals, since the path differs and affects timing and any prorated refund. Now you perform the core cancellation steps. On your iPhone, tap Settings, your name, then Subscriptions, find the Applecare plan tied to the watch. If you prefer a browser, sign in at Apple Support and view your plans. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow on-screen confirmations. Apple will ask why and show the effective date. You do this because canceling stops future billing, but often keeps coverage until the paid period ends, so note that expiry date and any refund shown. Finish by confirming the cancellation. Check your email for the cancellation notice and retention of coverage dates. If you believe you qualify for a prorated refund, contact Apple Support through chat or phone and reference your plan and serial number. They can process refunds differently across regions. If cancellation fails, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that the plan owner matches your account, because mismatched ownership is the most common blocker. Having serial number ready speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.